Hey there! Welcome to this journey of self-discovery. Feeling a bit lost in life? You're not alone. Many of us have been there, standing at the crossroads, unsure of which path to take. Today I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps to unlock your true potential and find your life's goal. These steps are designed to help you gain clarity and direction. Ready? Let's dive in. Remember, this is your journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your true self. Step 1. Reflect on your passions. This is the cornerstone of finding your life's goal. Think about what makes you tick. What activities bring you joy and fulfillment? What activities make you lose track of time? These are often the things that align with your true passions. What topics do you love to learn about? Your interests can be a great indicator of your passions. Grab a notebook and jot these down. Writing them down makes them more tangible and real. This is the foundation of your journey. Your passions are the seeds from which your goals will grow. Step 2. Set clear, actionable goals. This step transforms your passions into a roadmap for your future. Now that you've identified your passions, it's time to turn them into goals. Think about what you want to achieve. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes them less overwhelming and more achievable. For example, if you love writing, set a goal to write 500 words each day. Consistency is key, and small, consistent actions lead to big results over time. Step 3. Take action and stay adaptable. This is the most crucial step. Without action, goals remain dreams. This is the most crucial step. Start working on those small tasks every day. Each step you take brings you closer to your goal. Start working on those small tasks every day. Consistency and dedication are your best allies. But remember, life's unpredictable. Be ready to adjust your plans as you grow and learn. Flexibility is essential. Be ready to adjust your plans as you grow and learn. Life will throw curveballs, and being adaptable will help you stay on track. Flexibility will keep you on track even when things get tough. Embrace change and use it to your advantage. So, to recap, reflect on your passions, set clear goals, and take action while staying adaptable. These steps will guide you towards a fulfilling life. These steps will guide you towards finding your true purpose. Remember, your life's goal is a journey, not a destination. Remember, discovering your life's goal is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way. All right, that's it for today. I hope you found these steps helpful and inspiring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Until next time, keep striving and stay positive. Remember, every step you take is a step towards your true self. This script should be spoken with an upbeat and motivational tone, accompanied by inspiring background music to keep the audience engaged and inspired. Let the journey begin.